Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: pink, black, green, orange, yellow, blue, brown, sky blue, light green, violet, red, and pink color. Black color, A. Yellow color, B. C. D. E. F. G. Orange color, H. Purple color, I. This is letter J, and this is letter K, L. This is letter M. We are tracing letter N. Green color, O. Red color, P. This is letter Q. Letter R. Kids, this is letter S. Now we are tracing letter T. This is letter U. Pink color, V. Kids, we are tracing letter U. W. X. Y. Z. Kids, read again. A. Apple. B. Bat. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Green. H. Hen. I. Ice cream. J. Juice. K. Kite. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Parrot. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Spider. T. Tiger. U. Uniform. V. Van. W. Whale. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.